Hi everyone, welcome to Anas Academy. This is my first video to about earbuds. So don't waste the time. Let's go to the video.
Black Friday is behind us, but there's always a Samsung deal to be had, especially now as we approach the end of the year. And if you're in the market for a new pair of earbuds, the Galaxy Buds 2 are now up to 26% cheaper at Amazon USA. The Galaxy Buds 2 wireless earbuds were released in August 2021, and nowadays, they go for $150. However, Amazon has just slashed 26% off the Galaxy Buds 2, which brings the price down to $111. The catch is that the price cut applies to the white model. You can also save approximately 14% on the Galaxy Buds 2 in olive green or lavender, i.e., you can buy the earbuds in these color options for $129. The price is not as low as it was for Black Friday, but we may never know if the Galaxy Buds 2 will ever be discounted by 40% again. Either way, 26% off the retail price is still a pretty good deal.
So this is the short video about earbuds. So don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.